Lucy, in a minute.
There she goes.
Yep.
Oh, she's getting in.
She thinks this is her tree. It is, honey.
Oh! Wait, can you see her from the other side?
She's in there. Lucy!
It's too dark. It doesn't show up. Lucy! Her face, you can't... Oh, she knocked the candy cane off.
Yeah, she's really... I didn't think she'd bother the candy cane. I don't trust you.
Look at her butt sticking out the other end. Oh, there we go.
She's like, I can't stand this. This noise and
Lucy.
stuff. I gotta get this stuff. I gotta get it. You're crazy, Lucy.